Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Today's World. My name is Sangam. आमे previous class रे some selective GS question and answer discuss करथिले. जो माने भी previous class देखि नाहंदी प्लीज जाइए फास्ट previous class देखि नियंतु. एही GS series टी helpful हबो upcoming government exam ପାଇଁ. Please subscribe, like, share this channel. Let's start today's discussion. First question is, which of the following statement is correct? First statement is, a stable community of species has more biodiversity than an unstable community. Second statement is, increase in biodiversity contributes to higher productivity in the ecosystem. Third statement is, species richness in an ecosystem leads to higher biodiversity. Last option is all of these above. Then correct option is option D, all of the above. All the given statements are correct. A stable community of species has more biodiversity than an unstable community. David Tillman, long-term ecosystem experiment showed increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. Larger number of species and more even abundance of species led to higher species diversity. Then correct option is option D. Then move to next question. Which of the following species is a pioneer species? First option is antelopes. Second option is tiger and lion. Third option is lichen. Last option is grass. Then correct option is option C, lichen. Among the given option, lichen is a pioneer species. Species that arrive first in a newly created environment, such as an island rising out of the sea, are called pioneer species. Fungi and lichen are the most common pioneer species. Lichen and fungi is primary succession. They have the ability to break down minerals to form soil and subsequently develop organic matter. Then correct option is option C, lichen. Then move to next question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding saprophytes? First statement is, saprophytes are not a part of growing food chain. Second option is, saprophytes are organisms who feed and live on dead organic materials. Third option is, they obtain nutrition for their growth through dead organic materials. Then last option is all of the above. Then correct option is option D, all of the above. Saprophytes are part of detritus food chain. They feed and live on dead organic material. Saprophytes cannot make their own food. They obtain nutrition for their growth through dead organic material. Saprophytes have no leaves, stem or roots. They produce spores and cannot perform photosynthesis. Mushroom, molds, fungi are some example of saprophyte. Example is mushroom, molds, fungi. This is example of saprophytes. Then correct option is option D, all of the above. Then move to next question. Consider the following statement. First statement is the environment interacts with human life and its common economic activity. First statement is, the environment interacts with human life and its economic activity. Second statement is, species adapt their environment through natural selection in successive generation. Third option is, more complex living organism can communicate through various means. Which of the statement given above are correct? First option is 1 and 2. Second option is 1 and 3. Third option is 2 and 3. Last option is all of the above. Then correct option is option D, all of these. All the given statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The environment encompasses the interaction of all living species, climate, weather and natural resources that affect human survival and economic activities. Living organisms undergo to grow and reproduce through natural selection, adapt to their environment in successive generation. More complex living organisms can communicate through various means. Then correct option is option D, all of these. Then move to next question. Which of the given method cannot reduce the pollution of water in certain water bodies? First is treatment of land with the help of natural bacteria and fungi. Second is chlorine treatment and filtering. Third is using dry compost toilet. Last is using Portland cement in construction. Then first option is 1 and 2. Second is 2 and 4. Third is only 4. And last one is only 3. Then correct option is option C, only 4. Use of Portland cement in construction cannot reduce the pollution of water in certain water bodies. Ecological sanitation is a sustainable system for handling human excrete. Using dry composting toilet. This is a practical, hygienic, efficient and cost-effective solution to human waste disposal. Appropriate plants, algae, fungi and bacteria neutralize, absorb and assimilate the pollutants. Hence, as the water flow through the marshes, it gets purified naturally. Then correct option is option C, only for using Portland cement in construction. Then move to next question. Which of the following international treaty aims to reduce the emission of harmful greenhouse gases in the environment? First option is Cartagena Protocol. Second is Montreal Protocol. Third is Kyoto Protocol. Last is Nagoya Protocol. Then correct option is option C, Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty which aims to reduce the emission of harmful greenhouse gases in the environment. The main goal of Kyoto Protocol was to control emission of main anthropogenic greenhouse gases. It aims to achieve stabilization of greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere at a level that would prevent dangerous anthropogenic interference with the climate system. Then correct option is option C, Kyoto Protocol. Then move to next question. The Augusta Malay Biosphere Reserve located in the Western Ghat is spread across which of the following state? First option is Karnataka and Maharashtra. Second option is Maharashtra and Goa. Third option is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Last option is Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Then correct option is option C, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Augusta Malay Biosphere Reserve is located in the Western Ghat in the south of the country, spreading across the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The reserve now covers parts of Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu and Thiruvananthapuram, Kola and Pathanamthitta district in Kerala. Augusta Malay Biosphere Reserve became part of World Network of Biosphere Reserve in 2016. Then correct option is option C, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then move to next question. Which of the following is not a method in situ conservation of biodiversity? First option is National Park. Second is Wildlife Sanctuary. Third is Zoological Park. And option D is Biosphere Reserve. Then correct option is option C, Zoological Parks. Zoological Park is not a method of in situ conservation of biodiversity. In situ conservation is the on-site conservation of genetic resources in natural population of plants or animal species. Example, national parks, sanctuary, natural reservoir, reserve of biosphere. This is in situ conservation example. In situ conservation example. Zoological Park serve to purpose of ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation is the technique of conservation of all level of biological diversity outside their natural habitat through different technique like ex situ. Example is zoo, aquarium, botanical garden and Gen Bank. Then correct option is option C, Zoological Park. Then move to next question. The earliest coin available in Odisha are dash. First option is Ponchmar coin. Second option is Puri Kushana coins. Third option is Nola coins. And last option is Gupta coins. Then correct option is option A, Ponchmarked coins. The earliest coins found in Odisha are Ponchmark coins. These coins were in circulation between 4th century BC and 4th century AD. Then correct option is option A, Ponchmark coin. Then move to next question. Which ruler of Sambansi dynasty started the construction of Lingaraj temple? First option is Indraratha, second option is Yejati 2, third option is Janmajay 1, last option is Janmajay 2. Then correct option is option B, Yejati 2. Chandihara Yejati 2 1023 to 1040 AD started the construction of Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar and it was complete Udyata Kesari Mohabhavo Gupta. Udyata Kesari Mohabhavo Gupta in 1040 to 1065 AD. 1040 to 1065 AD. Started is Yejati 2, Chandihara Jati 2, 1023 to 1040 AD. Started and ended to Udyata Kesari Mohabhavo Gupta 1040 to 1065 AD. Then correct option is option B, Yejati 2. Then move to next question. Who built the well decorated and well sculptured temple of Konark? First option is Ananga Bhimadeva 1, second option is Narsimhadeva 1, third option is Narsimhadeva 2, last option is Narsimhadeva 3. Then correct option is option B, Narasimhadev 1. Narasimhadev 1. During Ganga rule, Odisha temple architecture reached its zenith with the construction of famous Sun temple at Konark by Narasimhadev 1. World famous Sun temple at Konark was built by Narasimhadev 1. Then correct option is option B, Narasimhadev 1. Then move to next question. Under which Mughal emperor Odisha became a separate Suba? First option is Akbar, second is Jahangir, third option is Shahjahan, last option is Aurangzeb. Then correct option is option B, Jahangir. Jahangir. Under Jahangir, Odisha was made into a separate Subha and a governor. Subha and a governor. Governor. Title Subedar ruled in the name of the Mughal emperor. Then correct option is option B, Jahangir. Move to next question. Which Naib Najims attacked the Jagannath temple of Puri? Which Naib Najims attacked the Jagannath temple of Puri? First option is Ali Bardi Khan, second option is Murshid Qali Khan 2, third option is Sujauddin Muhammad, last option is Muhammad Taqi Khan. Then correct option is option D, Muhammad Taqi Khan. Correct option is option D, Muhammad Taqi Khan. Muhammad Taqi Khan became the deputy governor of Odisha in 1727. Taqi Khan built a Qadam Rasul. Built a Qadam Rasul at Baleswar. Having a pond and a garden attached to it. He also attacked the Jagannath temple at Puri. Then correct option is option D, Muhammad Taqi Khan. Then move to next question. Who was the head of the Satya Mahima Dharma? First option is Mahima Gosai, second option is Dhenkanal, third option is Dora Bisoi, last option is none of the above. Then correct option is option A, Mahima Gosai. Satya Mahima Dharma means the Dharma of the divine glory. Is a religious tradition in Hinduism from Odisha. Mahima Gosai was the founder of Mahima Dharma. Then correct option is option A. Then move to next question. Who among the following was the first president of Utkala Sabha at Cuttack? First option is Kasinath Das, second option is Gauri Shankar, third option is Madhusudan Das, last option is none of the above. Then correct option is option A, Kasinath Das. In 1882, the Utkala Sabha was established at Cuttack. Utkala Sabha as established at Kotak. The first meeting of Utkal Sabha was held in the premises of Kotak Printing Press. Kotak Printing Press on 16th August 1882. Chaudhry Kasinath Das and Gauri Shankar Rai were chosen as the first president and secretary of the organization. Kasinath Das is president and Gauri Shankar Rai is secretary. Kasinath Das is president, Gauri Shankar Rai is secretary. Okay, then correct option is option A, Kasinath Das. Chaudhry Kasinath Das and Gauri Shankar Rai were chosen as the first president and secretary of the organization. Then move to next question. Who is considered the first martyr of freedom struggle against British rule in Odisha? First option is Bakshi Jagabandhu. Second option is Jay Krishna Rajguru. Third option is Gangadhar Paikrai. Last option is Veera Surendra Sai. Then correct option is option B. Option B, Jay Krishna Rajguru. Jay Krishna Rajguru. In 1804, Jay Krishna Rajguru Mahapatra, known to the people as Jay Rajguru, was the royal presbyter to Mukunda Deva II. He revolted against the British with the army of pike warriors. This was also known as Khorda Rebellion. But the Britishers suppressed the rebellion with the help of some natives. On 6th December 1806, Jay Rajguru was convicted and hanged. The Jay Rajguru is considered as the first martyr of the early freedom struggle against British rule. 6th December 1806, Jay Rajguru was convicted and hanged. 6th December 1806. Then move to next question. Navajivan Mandal at Tumbigoda of Koraput was found by Ramadevi in dash 1945, 1946, 1941, 1947. Then correct option is 1946. Correct option is option B, 1946. Ramadevi formed an association at Tumbadigoda of Koraput named Navajivan Mandal in 1946 to serve the forest people. To serve the forest people. Correct option is option B, 1946. Then move to next question. Who among the following was the sole delegate from Odisha in the first round table conference? First option is Gopabandhu Das, second option is Krishna Chandra Gajapati, third option is Madhusudan Das, last option is Rama Devi. Then correct one is option B, Krishna Chandra Gajapati. Krishna Chandra Gajapati was the sole delegate from Odisha in the first round table conference. He went to London for first round table conference. The correct option is option B, Krishna Chandra Gajapati. Then move to next question and last question. Which of the following events in Odisha is similar to the Jallianwala incident in Punjab? First option is the Mathili killings. Second option is the massacre of Aram. Third option is Nong famine. Last one is none of the above. Then correct option is option B, the massacre of Aram. The massacre of Aram was an incident similar to the Jallianwala massacre because a huge number of people died on a single day. The people of Aram village of Basudevpur gathered 28th September 1942 and pledged not to pay any tax. Pledged not to pay any tax. The gathering turned violent and attacked the police, due to which the chief of police ordered the open firing. This incident was the largest massacre in the history of Odisha. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share these channels for more selective GS question. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.